If you regularly buy from specific people or companies, creating supplier records will save you time and help you to organize your business. You can create a record for each supplier that contains all of their details, including name, address, and other contact details, as well as a range of other information that you can specifically tailor to each supplier. Setting up information within a supplier record is a great way of storing their personal information. And with features like credit control, Sage payments, and emailing remittances, you can establish defaults for how you do business with them. You access suppliers from the navigation bar on the left. You can create new records using the New and Wizard options. The Wizard option will guide you through the process step by step. The New option opens a blank record, and you'll see that each record has a number of options down the left, each one containing different information and settings relating to the supplier. The first option contains the account reference for the supplier, their name, and any contact information. Account references can be up to 8 characters, and it's important to think about the account reference and the format you'll be using, as they can't be changed later on. For example, if you deal with a number of suppliers with similar names, for example Smith, you might use the surname, an initial, and some numbers. So for example, Smith M01. This provides you with a well-organized account reference system. You could simply use a numeric system, however, abbreviating the supplier's name makes it easier to locate accounts when you enter transactions. In defaults, you enter the details that you want to automatically appear when you enter transactions for that supplier. For example, the default nominal code and tax code. Don't worry if these will vary or are likely to change, as you can amend these settings within the record at any time, and also when you enter transactions. In credit control, you enter the agreed credit limit you have with the supplier, along with any other trading terms such as payment due days. Your supplier's bank account details can be recorded within the Bank tab. This is used if you pay your supplier online and want to output your payments file via e-payments or use our Sage Payments service. More information about these options is available from our website. The details of any contact that you have with your supplier can be recorded in the Communications area, and if you want to add any extra notes, you can do this in the Memo tab. As you start trading with your supplier, details of their transactions will appear on the Activity tab. There will also be a summary of this information in Purchases. Any orders will be linked to the record, and there's also a Graphs option to display your information. If we close out of the blank record, we're then returned to the suppliers list. Now remember, you can access and amend the details at any point just by highlighting the record, and then from the toolbar at the top clicking Edit.